Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to generate random IMEI of your REALME C63. Okay, so as you can see we are on the IMEI info page. Now, in this bar right here, we need to type the IMEI number of our REALME. If you don't know how to find it and how to check it, on our channel there is a video when I'm showing you all possible options on this site, and also in that video I'm showing you how to find the IMEI number on your REALME C63. So if you want, you can look for it. And now click on this blue button, check IMEI. Now we need to scroll down a little bit. In here we have some basic information about our device, but we need to scroll a little bit more until we find the basic checks. They are completely for free, so don't worry. And here the fourth option from the top is the random IMEI generator. So we want to click on that. Now click on the generate random IMEI button. And here we have 10 random IMEI numbers. We can copy each one of them by clicking right in here next to each IMEI number. But if you want, you can copy all of them by clicking this button, copy all IMEIs. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.